Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I bring all the latest happening to you. So, without not wasting much of your time, do you know that every road leads to Abuja tomorrow? Hey, for Mazina, the Kano's court appearance, 21st of May 2025. The defense team cross-examination of Mazina Kanu continue tomorrow. Hope people always follow up the information and the court updates. Anyway, stay tuned tomorrow because Progress the Analyst, I got you covered. I will bring the work closer to your doorstep. So, a lot is happening and there is something I want to share with you. These words, they are so inspirational. It's something that you will sit down and ask yourself many questions. Why is it like this? Why is life treating us this way? Why is it a crime for us to stand to what we believe? Why is it that we don't have freedom of expression? We don't have freedom for anything. Anyways, this update today just give answers to the question. So please make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll be right back.
Please, I want to ask so why is it a crime for someone to say I am a Biafra to the Nigerian armies or to the Nigeria at large, but you are allowed to say he's an Arewa youth, he's an Oduduwa youth? Whenever you say I'm a Biafra, everybody around you that is not from the Igbo side start looking at you as if you committed a crime. One day we are coming back from Ebonyi State, my place, so we mistakenly, should I say, passed the checkpoint when the army man haven't told us to pass. So we got there. So the army man literally told us to park behind, that we should stay one side. That okay, he didn't give us the order to go, and we passed and we started coming. I started explaining to the army man, say we didn't see him waving, or we didn't see him tell us to stop, that it was a mistake. And the army man started parrying. The army man literally told me that you shoot us here and say we are Biafrans. So why is it illegal? I'm still asking, why is it illegal to say that you're a Biafran? Why other people are legalized to say that I'm an Oduduwa person and I'm an Arewa person? See, look at me boldly. I'm a pure Igbo boy. I'm a Biafran by identity. Even in the point of gunshot, I still say it, I'm a Biafra. You might say I don't like the ideology of Nnamdi Kanu, but it won't make me deny the fact that I am a Biafra. As long as I am an Igbo man, I am a Biafra, full blood. So even if in the front of the armies and you ask me, I will say I'm a Biafra. You can see I'm not an IPOB, but see that word Biafra, it is my own. I am an Igbo boy. I'm a Biafran by birth. That is who I am. I won't hide it. You understand? You can call it crime, but I won't hide it. I'm a Biafran. Thank you.
Greetings, Biafrans, and all lovers of freedoms all over the world. I greet you now. This is updates. What is going on in Biafra land? Currently going on in Biafra land. But before I proceed, I would like to thank and recognize the presence of Triple General in the person of Igwe Putozo, the general of the whole generals in Biafra land. I thank you, sir. And I want to appreciate Major General Gento de Yahoo, who has given me the opportunity to bring this update to Biafrans all over the world, for them to understand what is currently going on in Okigwe. Currently now, the Southeast governors and the Southeast senators and the Southeast politicians have gathered and they summoned the CDS, Christopher Musa. There's an ongoing meeting now between the Nigerian, the Southeast politicians and Nigerian terrorist military currently meeting going on how they want to use fighter jets to bomb Okigwe State starting from 21st of May 2025, the same day that our able leader Mazi Kanu is appearing in court. Purpose of them, Charles Soludo, Peter Mba, Nwifuru, and the RSOT, and all the senators that is conspiring with the Nigerian terrorist government in order to begin to kill their friends. Now, in Okigwe State, what they are planning is in the same method that Hope Osodema and the Nigerian terrorist military use in Olo by using fighter jets to bomb the houses of civilians, the different homes that eliminated three children in one family. In the same method, they want to bring in Okigwe, especially in Ako. In Ako Okigwe, they want to use bombardment in Ako Okigwe, in Omolola Okigwe, in Ihube Okigwe, in Arondi Zogo Okigwe, in Abobo Okigwe, and all these Onimo, Umuduru Ebagoro. They want to apply the same method of using fighter jets to bomb Biafran homes. So I am bringing these information for Biafrans all over the world to understand what Hope Uzodinma is committing in Imo State against Imo people, against Biafrans, using bomb to kill, to eliminate, and Hope Uzodinma, I am here to tell you that everything that you are doing in your secret chambers, that I am receiving the information. That is why I am enlightening the people for Okigwe for them to be watchful. From tomorrow, 21st May 2025, I want all dear friends in Okigwe, all civilians, to be vigilant, and I want to use this opportunity to let you understand that there will be a total lockdown in Biafra land on the respect of the Mazi Kanu appearing in the zoological court tomorrow, being 21st of May 2025. So I am appealing to all Biafrans to sit in your home on the respect, because tomorrow, next tomorrow will be bloody. They want to use air strike, land strike, in order to kill Biafrans, especially in Okigwe State. So this information is coming to you from Biafra Liberation Army Media House, Okigwe State.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update with everything that you listen to now. Please drop your opinion in the comment section. As I said before, Mazi Kanu will be appearing in court tomorrow, the 21st of May 2025. I will keep you updated.